Now grade 7 we are doing part C and D will be our homework. Now we are doing part E and F. Some parts we will leave for homework. Okay. So in part E what is given? Angle A is given 62 degree. Angle B is given E. And here we have some special uh, case for this triangle. You can see these two lines on these two sides. If one mark is here on these two lines or these two sides of this triangle, so you can understand that these two sides are having same measurements. So these two sides are equal in measurement. So I told you that if two sides are equal in a triangle, so their opposite angles are also equal. Okay, so we can say angle C will be equals to angle A. Okay, so you can understand that if two sides in a triangle are equal, their opposite angles of these sides, यानी कि इस साइड के जो ऑपोजिट है और इस साइड का जो ऑपोजिट एंगल है, ये दोनों सेम मेजरमेंट्स के हैं. ठीक है, सो यू विल राइट द मेजरमेंट्स हियर इन योर कॉपी. We are writing now angle A. This is exercise 3A. Question number 5. We are doing question number 5, part E. Angle A is given 62 degree. Angle B is unknown. Okay. E. And angle C is equals to angle A, which is angle A, which is, what is that? It is 62. Okay. So we can write here solution. We can write here solution. We will write the property of triangle first. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So we are putting their values. Angle A is 62. So we can put it here 62. B is E plus C is 62. And that is equals to 180 degree. 62 plus 62 we can add them together. So it would be 124. Okay. 124. And E will be equals to 180 minus 124. Okay. So E will be equals to 180 minus 124. We can do it in rougher. 124. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So we are getting 56. This is the answer of E part. Now we are having part F, in which we have a triangle and we are finding unknown here. And you can see in this triangle we have one mark on each side. So we can say that all sides are equal. AB is equals to BC and BC is equals to AC. So we can say all sides are equal. It means all angles are equal in a triangle. So that is the property of triangle. If a triangle has all sides equal, so their all angles are equal. So if C angle is F, so A will be equals to C and B is equals to C. All angles are equal here. So we will write F. Angle C is equals to angle B and is equals to angle A, which is equals to F. Because all sides are equal. That's why we can write A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So A is F, angle B is F plus angle C is F. So we are getting now 3 times of f, which is equals to 180 degree. So your answer will be for f is 180 upon 3. So you will get your answer 60 degree. All angles are equal 60 degree. So that's why you can write angle A is equals to 60, angle B is equals to 60, and angle C is equals to 60 degree. I hope you have understood this question. So you can take a screenshot for this question and then you can copy, right?